Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video I'm going to share with you 9 different lipsticks that are perfect for the winter season. They are non-drying, and if you like the look of matte lipsticks but you absolutely hate the feeling of dried chapped lips, then these lipsticks are just perfect for you. Some of them are really moisturizing and the matte ones are not drying at all. But if you want your matte lipsticks to be comfortable on your lips, you need to prep your lips from beforehand. You need to scrub them and use a really nice lip balm. The one that I'm using here is from Juicy Chemistry and it is their Blood Orange and Rosehip lip balm, and it's really nice. You can check out the Amazon winter sale and pick out all of these products. They have some amazing discounts and so much variety to choose from. And Amazon also delivers all the items really fast. If you like anything, you can definitely check out the winter collection from Amazon and pick out all your winter essentials from them. I will have all the product links in the description box. I want to share with you different lipstick formulas and also different lip shades. And if you want to know about the different lipsticks that are just perfect for the winter season, then please continue watching. The first lipstick that I have is from Sugar Cosmetics and it is their Matte as Hell Lip Crayon in the shade Rachel Berry. So this is how the shade looks like. It's a really deep dark berry shade. Here is a swatch. This shade is almost vampy. Such shades are so perfect for the winter season, and this is a lip crayon and these are extremely comfortable on the lips. They are not drying, especially if you prep your lips and apply a nice lip balm. I love this range from Sugar. The Matte as Hell range is so comfortable. It gives a matte finish but they don't make your lips look dry and chapped and lifeless. This is how the shade looks on me. It looks really nice. Even if you do not have any makeup on, you can just wear a shade like this and you will look amazing. So if you like deep dark berry colors, definitely go for this, or you can check out other shades from the Matte as Hell range from Sugar Cosmetics. They are just perfect for the winter season and you won't feel uncomfortable in them at all. So this is the first lipstick recommendation that I have. The next one that I have is from Wet n Wild and it is sort of a purple berry shade. I'll just swatch it for you right here. The shade is called Sugar Plum Fairy. This one is more purple. So this one is sort of a dark purple lipstick and it's not the kind of purple that you won't be able to wear. This shade is quite wearable, and especially in winters I really feel these shades look really nice. Though I am a nude lipstick lover, I really like wearing such shades once in a while during the winter season. So if you are like me and you want to experiment with different shades, you can go for either one of these or both of them. They will look really nice on all skin tones. And coming to the formula, this is a traditional bullet lipstick. They are very moisturizing, and though they give a satin matte finish, but they are quite hydrating and they will not dry out your lips at all, and these are also very long lasting. This one slightly stains your lips, so if you are not a fan of that, then you can avoid it, but that really extends the wear time of these lipsticks. This shade is actually perfect for winter. They also have another shade, Cherry Picking. You can also pick out that one. Moving on to another berry shade, but this one is more muted. So the one that I have is from Milani and the shade is Plum Rose. This is a very pretty color. This is a satin lipstick and it's a traditional bullet lipstick. This is the shade. It looks quite nice on the lips as well, and it's very hydrating. If matte lipsticks are not your thing, you can definitely check out these lipsticks from Milani. These are very hydrating. You won't even require a lip balm under these, but it's always good to like moisturize your lips before putting on any lipstick. These are like perfect if you have like really dry and chapped lips, and if you absolutely cannot stand the feel of a matte lipstick, then you can definitely go for this range from Milani. This particular shade is also very pretty. It will look really flattering on medium skin tones, and if you are fair, then this might look a little dark on you, and on deeper skin it's going to look like a really nice mauvey nude shade. The fourth lipstick that I have is from Daughter Earth, and the shade is Sultry Cocoa. This is how the lipstick looks like. It's a traditional bullet lipstick, and it has a very comfortable matte finish. This is the shade. It's a deep pink nude shade. Though it has a matte finish, but it has a very comfortable matte finish, and this lipstick is also made with all natural ingredients. It doesn't have any toxins, and it is also vegan, so it is enriched with a lot of different oils and things that are good for you. It also smells so good, and this shade is really nice. I don't think I own any shade like this. It's very pretty. The formula is non-drying and very comfortable on the lips. So if you're looking for a good lipstick that is matte but non-drying, then definitely you can try this range from Daughter Earth. I also have two sort of like terracotta or orange shades. So the first one that I have is from Bellora, and this is the first liquid lipstick that I have for you. This is the swatch, and you can see that it's like a terracotta color with hints of red. The color is so pretty and it looks so nice on the lips. These colors are also very festive. So if you have to attend any winter wedding, then you can definitely go for this shade. And this formula is also very comfortable. It is a liquid lipstick, but it's not those life-sucking ones. I won't say it's like a traditional bullet lipstick, but if you prep your lips well and if you use a nice coat of lip balm, then you should be fine. This liquid lipstick applies creamy, but after some time it settles down into a very comfortable matte finish. It is like very smooth and comfortable on the lips, and it is also very long lasting. So if you want to try a liquid lipstick during the winter season, definitely go for this one. The next one that I want to talk about is from L'Oreal. It is from their Rouge Signature range, and the shade that I have is called I Believe. I'll give you a swatch. So this is how the shade looks like. It is sort of a nudish peachish shade, and this one will look really nice on fair to medium skin tone. I basically want to talk about the formula. This of course is a liquid lipstick, but it is not like any other liquid lipstick that I have tried before. The formula is very watery, and it's so comfortable on the lips. It takes a lot of time to dry down, and it does not become completely transfer proof. It sort of slightly transfers, but I'm completely okay with it because it ensures that my lips stay hydrated. This one is the most comfortable liquid lipstick that I have ever tried, and they come in a lot of different shades. If you want to try like a brown based nude, then you can definitely go for it, or if you want to try like a dark color, you can also go for that. But the formula is really amazing. Next, I have a lip and cheek tint from Daughter Earth. This is in the shade Desert Nude. So it's a brownie nude shade. This is how the shade looks like. I'll give you a swatch. So this is how the lipstick looks like. This is the swatch. Like the previous Daughter Earth lipstick, this one also smells amazing. Coming to the formula, it's really hydrating and moisturizing, but it has a velvety matte finish. So you can slightly dab it onto your lips for like a very slight hint of color, or you can just build it up and go for a complete opaque finish. And these look so pretty. You can also use a little bit on your cheeks. I actually have some on my cheeks. I'm wearing it like a blush, and I have also used a little bit on my eyes. So this is a very pretty brownish nude shade, and this I think will suit most skin tones, and it's a very comfortable lipstick. Products like these are first of all multi-purpose. You can use them on your lips, on your cheeks, on your eyes, and these are also perfect for the winter season. If you are looking for a good lip tint, then definitely go for this one. The next lipstick that I have is from Maybelline. This is in the shade Nude Nuance. It is from their creamy matte range, and I'll just swatch it for you. This is the lipstick. It's a brownish nude color, and it's very hydrating and comfortable on the lips. It gives a velvety matte finish, and it also transfers. I'm sure you already own one of these. You can definitely use it during the winter season because these are hydrating, moisturizing, and it will also give you a demi matte finish. And they come in so many amazing shades, so you can pick out whatever shade you like. Go for dark and vampy shades or nude shades like this. These are a budget friendly option, and the quality is of course amazing. The last lipstick that I have is from Inside, and it is the one that I'm wearing in this video. It is their non-transfer lip color, and the shade is Joyful. It is again a liquid lipstick. Let me just swatch it here. It is a chocolatey brown color, and it is sort of a dark shade. I really like such shades, and you can specially use them during the winter if you are not into the berry tones. But if you want something like a little bit dark and for the evenings, then definitely go for a shade like this. It applies like a creamy liquid lipstick, and then after some time it settles into an absolutely matte finish. It sort of becomes completely transfer proof, and they have some amazing shades to choose from. This one retails for just ₹90, but during the Amazon sale you can definitely get some more discount on these as well. So that is it. These were the 9 different lipsticks that I wanted to talk about in this video. These lipsticks are perfect for the winter season. If you are going to be using liquid lipsticks, make sure you hydrate and moisturize your lips from beforehand, and you will be fine. So I will mention all the product links in the description box. Definitely check out the winter collection from Amazon. They are having some amazing discounts. Get all your winter essentials and make the most of the winter sale. That is it for this video. If you like this video, I'm sure you're gonna love other videos on my channel. You can check them out right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.